Wait a second. No way. It's been 4 years. Model 310 pull and clutch. Gravity flush, quiet comfort. Now that is quiet.
Honey?
Did I mention the high-seated?
Yes. We got
bowl flush?
Yeah. Yep. We heard it.
Ceramic bowl.
Oh.
Love this.
Hey, honey. I was just curious. What do you want for dinner later?
Dinner tonight?
Yeah. Do you?
I don't know. I gotta think about it. I got a lot on my mind right now. I'm feeling enchiladas tonight. I don't know. You gonna do like enchiladas? What's the matter? What are you getting at? My feet? You know I'm sensitive about my toes with the toe hook. D will get jammed up and underneath there. Do you like that toe hook? Look at that bad boy.
Toe hook?
Toe hook it up right here.
Good job.
I got it. Toe hook.
We are now taking donations for a computer chair for Carl.
Are you being serious? Look me in the eye and tell me you're being serious right now.
You look me in the eye.
I'm being very serious. This is comfy. It's cooled seats. Like, these are cool. So, you know, like when you sit on these, the cushion is just like hot and a little much, but I got some good aeration going on underneath.
And you could get 2 things done at once.
I like where you're heading with this.
Yeah.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah.
Hey, can I get your eyes on this real quick? Real quick. Hey.
I feel like I'm interrupting something. I don't know if I should be making eye contact with you.
No, everything's fine.
In this instance.
Okay, here's what I think our relationship is a little past beating around the bush. I don't want to speak for everyone. Eyes up here. I feel like maybe you want to give this a trial run.
Maybe when it's plugged into the bathroom.
I'll go get it started right now. I'll get her ready to go for you, babe.
Thanks.
Yep. Okay, we are live right now. We just got done filming the video of communication during marriage. And this whole time, Renee has been obsessed with looking at the ceiling. She is obsessed with the bee. And let me show you this thing.
This monster. I'm leaving. Women and children over here. I know, buddy. It's okay.
Shh. You're not helping the situation. I don't see it anymore.
That's not good. That's worse than seeing it. It's there! I'm scared. I don't know how you're gonna get it.
Oh, look at it. Maybe we let it be. Let it
Daddy's
be.
Oh, it's on this side.
Okay, you wanna grab it real quick? You wanna grab it real quick? Oh my goodness. You guys. He is freaking out about the bee too.
He doesn't even want to be with me.
I see what you did there. He doesn't want to be with you. I don't see it, hon. I think you're hallucinating.
No, it's hanging around.
How about some dinner? I'm getting hungry.
Do you think there's a bee's nest up there?
I don't know. It's beyond me. It's beyond me. Get it?
I hope it comes down and just attacks your head right now.
Yeah!
Hashtag HappilyMarriedlyHanks.
So, game plan is... Let me throw you out something. Alright, bang a little more. I think he's gone. Oh, he's around your head! Too easy. I think he's gone, hon.
I was so excited that we were done.
Well, we are done. When you think about it, he's gone. Oh, is that funny?
Yeah, it's hilarious.
Okay.
Yeah.
It is go time. It is finally here. The moment, I guess maybe not all of us have been waiting for, but definitely I've been waiting for. Babe, I'm gonna go grab some tools. It's tool time.
Get your space ready here.
Where are my tools? It was a joke.
34 feet of living space. You can find it.
She loves me, I think.
Do you smell that, babe?
Smell what?
Exactly. Let's get this installed so we could start smelling it, you know what I'm saying? Let her rip. Come on.
No, I don't know what you mean. Enlighten me.
There's always one in each relationship that doesn't know, so that makes sense.
Oh, aren't you just so funny, Nene?
I need to make coffee.
Is that like #1 priority right this second?
Yep.
Don't give me that look.
It's a dirty job, and dirty jobs call for coffee. Is that a thing?
Yeah, that's the thing.
Do people at like sewer plants like sip on coffee? I think so. So we decided to get these reusable K-cups so we could stop buying like disposable K-cups.
Oh yeah. Well, they're kind of a pain in the butt to wash, but at least it saves a good amount of money, right?
Yeah, it saves a good amount of money. You just keep reusing them. And then you could pick how much coffee you want in it. So if you're like feeling really brave, you could just go for it, let her rip, or...
Let her rip. I love how it's applicable between the two scenarios.
Yes.
We spoke of this a couple times before, and if you don't know what we're referring to when we say let her rip, check out this video right here. It will enlighten you.
Sometimes you're telling people to run.
Yeah.
Sometimes you're telling people to look at more content. What should they do?
Well, dear, I like to give people options, okay?
Oh.
So sue me.
Let me call my lawyer. Cue the music. Ready?
I'm just gonna go get started, okay?
I think you should change your outfit. Like, you're wearing your nice pants, and you're wearing a white t-shirt, and this is a dirty job, so...
Well, it's a nice toy, then. Why don't you present it?
I know you do.
Alright, I'll go get changed real quick.
Okay, alright.
Give me 1 second.
Alright,
just
sounds
1
good.
second. Okay.
Excuse me. I'm ready. Oh, and you just left your clothes right on the bed. Good for you.
We good?
Well, we gotta turn the water off. And here's the thing. Here is the thing. We can't really shut the... Hey, get out of here.
Okay, what?
We can't shut the water source off because our neighbors that we're sharing water with.
Connections. Yes. What do you do? What do you suggest?
I just say we can't do it. We return the toilet and call it a day.
That's exactly what I was thinking too.
Okay, good. We can switch it to water pump mode.
Like, okay.
Like dry camping, and just run all the faucets dry.
Then it will prevent the city water coming in. And...
Yeah.
Sweet.
It should.
Okay, let me go do that.
Okay, have fun.
Where are we at here? All we need to do is turn this black knob down, like this, from this to that. All right, water should be shut off just as long as we don't have the pump on. She's gonna be so proud of me. Yes, so proud. Honey, I got it figured out all by myself.
No way!
I did, thank you so much. I will be here all week. Okay, it's not working. Obviously, if you turn it on dry camping, that does not...
Stop the source?
What the hey, man?
I thought it does. I thought if you switch to dry camping, you're running off your tank.
How wrong were we? Oh, snap, I just remembered. You know how we're sharing the water outside?
Yeah.
There's a Y connection piece after the clear source, you know, the water filter,
right.
so we could just turn off our side.
Okay, show us what you're talking about. Come on, let's go.
Get out here, let's go. I'm gonna show you. Come on.
All right.
Let's go, let's go.
Let me just safely go. Okay, come on.
If you want to shut off the water, obviously, Carl, you cannot just turn it through dry camping and expect the water source to be turned off. See what I'm saying? 4 years of full-time RV living and you still learn something new every day.
Are we sure?
I'm pretty sure.
Do we know what we're even talking about half the time?
No, we do not.
But everyone else lets us know in the comments when we're wrong, and that's okay.
Yeah.
Because we're always learning. Learning life.
Oh dear.
Watch this stick.
Oh my, what is happening, sir?
This is the piece that we could shut off. So look I'm gonna shut it off here. Now our water's not running and theirs are still on. Remember that moment I said, if you've never been to our channel before, run? And if this is your first time here, just run. This is why. You don't know what we're doing. All right, let's check it out now and see if this actually works. You gotta keep up the energy and the vibes here.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, we're off now, so this is good. This is good news. I'm gonna take these nuts off here.
That's nuts.
Jokes right here. That is nuts.
There's a little capper dapper do here. So
Okay.
we'll save these.
Manatee. Oh my gosh. That is such a cat thing where it's like, what are you guys doing? There's something abnormal happening that you don't normally do. I want to get involved. I need to sit on it. I need to lay on it. I need to get in it. Let's not let Dexter fall in the hole once it's exposed. That's my concern.
He's not gonna get down that thing. Have you seen him lately? Any final words you want to say to it?
To the toilet?
Yeah.
We kind of had our moment earlier. I said my goodbyes. I was like, don't listen to Carl when he talks about your triangular shaped water spurts.
Happy the moment of truth.
Well, how does the water get disconnected?
We have to do that yet, cause I forgot.
Okay, now I think we're ready for liftoff here. What else needs to be disconnected? Nothing else? I don't know.
I don't know either, obviously.
But you've done this before.
Just stand back.
Okay, I'm freaking out.
She came right off.
Wow, that was easy.
Wow.
Oh, that's terrifying.
Some more. Hurry, hurry, hurry. That is disgusting. What is down there?
I get to clean all of this. I'm excited.
You're excited about this?
I'm excited.
Okay.
This is a good chance to get clean. I was telling everyone this is the whole point of doing this. Do you hear what I'm saying?
Loud and clear.
Wow. Okay, use it.
Not quite. We're almost there. Well, at least we got through the holes here, so that's a plus.
Yeah, you make this look so easy.
I love your positive energy too, honey. You want to go out sometime?
Oh, look at that, the directions.
Who needs directions, right?
Well, it looks like it's gonna fit over it. Now the tricky part is gonna be the water connection, because that doesn't like fit.
Remember to be set and forget.
What do we talk about expectations? Don't have expectations?
I don't have expectations.
We might have to make a trip to some kind of like hardware store.
Toilet 1, Carl Nene 0. The toilet sits fine on the floor. No shaking or anything. Got the nuts tightened down adequately to where it's not cracking on the toilet, but it has a nice secure connection. However, the previous toilet sat higher with the inlet connection. The connection would be like this instead of like this. You want it to screw on flush like this, but right now we're dealing with this. And we gotta make some cuts in the PEX tubing as well to shorten it, and that way you're not having that flexion. Those plastic pieces that are on the 90-degree elbow connection pieces, they have a tendency to crack and break. And if that happens while you're not home, your RV could potentially get flooded and totaled. This is what we talk about when not having too many expectations with the RV life, or just life in general. You gotta go with the flow. We got this though. Let's go to Home Depot. Coming. It's day 47. I'm losing my mind. You guys are gonna laugh when you see what setup we have come up with. It is not permanent. I repeat, not permanent. But at least tonight, hopefully, we're gonna have a running toilet. Let me show you what we got. Look at that setup there. So we got a couple shark bites going into one another. It's like up, there, Hi. Pizza. No, we got it under control. Yes, I know what I'm doing. Oh, yeah. All right, I'm hungry.
Are you gonna give it a kiss goodbye?
I don't know about the kiss part, but I'm definitely gonna say goodbye to it. One last slap. Give her a slap. Okay. I feel like a part of me's missing already. Oh.
But you have a new
It's
friend.
like new toilet, new me, new year, new me.
Right.
I already forgot. Let's just get at it. Let's get out of here.
All right.
All right, bye.